Right, okay, so I'm here with Tony Cole. I'm not sure whether we can see what's on the screen because I've got my readers on, but we're on, if I zoom in here, we're on Learning Outcome 2 and it's prep work. So we're just going to talk us through. I've got Tony here, so he's going to say what's required here. So, if we look over here, we've got direct observation, if met, during OBS 1 or 2, or reflective account. All down this side are bits and pieces. We've got checking material, liaise with other people, comply with health and safety, etc., etc. Now, are we right in thinking, Tony, that when the candidate looks at these, if during that direct observation you see any of this, you will tick it in that box? Is that correct?
That's correct, Ian, yeah. The bits that I don't see will go into this end column. They'll do a write-up, and if I'm happy with the outcome of the write-up, then we'll put the ticks in there to say that criteria has been covered.
Right. And then we've got, so we'll just go through a few examples here. So we've got safe and unobstructed access to work, etc. And you can see we've got 2.1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 5. If we turn the page over, it gets a little bit confusing, so we'll bear with us here. We've got here 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and then it goes 2.5.
Yeah.
Now, Tony, do you want to just fill us in there as where 2.4 is?
2.4 is in the blue headed paperwork here.
Don't forget, blue for you.
Blue for you, for the apprentice. And when you turn over, you'll find that 2.4 is here and broke down from 2.4 there, carry out prep work. Yeah. And then they cover these areas.
And that's it.
And whichever job location they've done it, might be the same job, but as long as they've covered these, and what the task description was and the date they did it, and that covers all 2.4.
So we'll just mention an example though. We're in a property today, there's a lot of work going on behind us. We're in a room out of the way with we've not even got a cup of coffee, but hey ho. Right, so safe and unobstructed access to work areas. I don't think we have to do anything this prep 2A, we can leave that, but job location, it might be 61 Holmeswood Road, for example. The task description, it might be installing bathroom suite and all hot and cold supplies and sanitation, and then you'd have your date. So that is how it's met, and I do believe on one page as well, just as we talk about that, this 2.4 does continue down there as well with the chasings and cutting floorboards up, etc. But on this one, if we spin it round again, Tony, you'll see here we've got criteria 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 or 2.5. So it is just asking you for some supplementary evidence to support what you've done here. So remember, on the green, that will be Tony doing a direct observation, or there may be a reflective account that maybe have to be ticked off. But that reflective account will be a write-up from you. It will have maybe some pictorial evidence or some documentation that you will upload onto Smart Assessor. That's right. And Tony will verify that. Is that correct?
That's correct, yeah.
Right, okay. So I think we're okay there. And what we'll do, we'll upload this onto Smart Assessor for your convenience.